time of year, the North Pole is leaning more towards the sun. There's an imaginary line around the northern hemisphere called the Tropic of Cancer. Well, today is the day when that sun shines directly over this line and when it reaches its highest position in the sky. Earth's northern and southern hemispheres trade places in receiving the sun's light and warmth most directly. So when it's summer for us, south of the equator, it's winter for the southern hemisphere. Now, summer solstice is considered to be the longest day of the year. That just means it's the day we receive the most daylight. All areas north of the equator have day length longer than 12 hours. We're going to have about 14 hours and 25 minutes here in Southern California. After today, day length decreases each day through the winter solstice. That means sunrise will be later and later and later. Sunrise today was 5:42. In a month, it's going to be around 6 a.m. And then a month later in August, sunrise is going to be at 6:18. Summer comes to an end on September 22nd, ushering a new season, fall. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Happy summer solstice, everyone, and be prepared for the heat that we're going to have today. The temperatures will be sizzling, and the numbers aren't going to go no break from the heat, but we do have some changes in the forecast in the next 24 hours. Now, I want to show you this map that shows how we go from these dark brown colors and purple colors to the teal color. That's moisture, monsoon moisture, that's going to be moving into the picture for us in the next 24 hours. And we're going to have a chance for some storms late Tuesday into Wednesday. So by tomorrow, the weather's going to feel slightly humid, and that added moisture in the atmosphere could spark a few of those thunderstorms. Now, I wish it would bring us a whole lot of rain, but unfortunately, that rain is going to be traveling through a dry slot in the atmosphere, so that means it's going to dry out before it arrives to the ground. But what it could cause is some dry lightning. That's a big concern considering how dry the vegetation is out there. It could spark some fires. So here we are. Look at the futurecast this morning. Some June gloom right along the coast, and those clouds could linger for those coastal locations, while inland it is raised 4 days. Here we are at 8 p.m., still looking at the cloud cover right along the coastal locations, but overnight we could be seeing some showers right along the beaches. By tomorrow morning, a chance for some showers in Ventura County, some isolated storms through the Santa Clarita Valley, the San Fernando Valley. And then during the afternoon, the chance for thunderstorms will be over in the deserts and also in the mountains, bringing very little, if any, rain. But again, the concern is lightning and also some erratic winds around where those thunderstorms do develop. So we'll keep an eye on that for tomorrow. Expect more humidity for tomorrow as well. The temperatures for the rest of the week in the 80s for the